In this course, I'm going to teach you how to automate all the business reporting you might have using Google Sheets. Whether it would be just monthly reporting to the management, weekly reporting which requires a scalable and completely automated template for hundreds of people to use, or just a project for yourself to make your work more efficient. Hi, and welcome to the course Master Reporting Automation with Google Sheets. My name is Mariel, and I will be the lecturer for this course. Unfortunately, the majority of reporting that people do in Excel or Google Sheets is very manual and requires repetitive work to be done over and over again on a regular basis. In a high majority of cases, that's because of lack of skills and not being aware about the fact that up to 99% of this work could be automated, primarily through the smart use of formulas, but also involving other related tooling such as Python scripts. And that's why I have created this course. You can be the one automating all your Google Sheets or Excel work that you currently have done manually, and can be the one leading the change in your company. This course focuses on teaching you with the right skill set, so you could solve any business modeling task you might ever experience in the future. The formulas and tricks you're going to learn in this course are not going to be limited only to the reporting field. I don't want to teach you to only execute some certain format of automation. I want you to be able to think outside of a certain tool or exercise. We're going to learn how to structure a full business reporting file from scratch, considering the data that we have, create impressive charts, work out formulas and methodology for forecasting with the help of automation, and learn how to easily create the framework for competitor tracking and market size estimation. Not only are we learning how to create formulas, but we're also putting all our learnings to an actual project and utilizing the new skills to the maximum extent so they will stick to us. And you can keep all the templates. Always come back to them when you have any doubts or have forgotten something. Let me put this course to the context for you. You are the right person to take this course if you are either experienced financial analyst, financial controller, CFO, or business analyst interested in automating your company's reporting. Student who wants to get a job in financial modeling, business modeling, or reporting area, and wants to boost the chances by adding new skills to their resume. Business professional who wants to increase the efficiency of reporting work and focus more time on things that matter. Or a person interested in impressing their managers and co-workers with their exceptional skills. And ideally, you use Excel or Google Sheets already on a daily basis. If you're really motivated to learn a lot and create some extra effort and research along on your own, then jump in. The value you're going to create is enormous.